Good morning, students. In the last class of grammar, we had studied about naming words. We had also understood that the objects or the things or the people which are around us, they all are not only around us, but wherever we see, they all have names. Okay, for example, tree, then your mother, your father. Okay, then right now, like I can take the object, it's a chalk. So chalk is a naming word. Then board is a naming word. Then mug is a naming word. Box, pen, then table, all these are naming words. In today's session, we will be studying common names and special names. Or I will explain you that how naming words are called, I will explain you in what case the naming words are common and in what case the naming words are special. Okay, naming words are common, naming words are special. Naming words are general names, common names, general names for the same kind of person, place, animal, or thing are called common names. Once again, I repeat the definition. Naming words are general names for the same kind of person, place, animal, or thing are called common names. Common names can also be called common noun. Keep in mind, common names can also be called common noun. Examples of common names or common noun are boy, school, book. Now, when I say boy could be anyone, tall boy, small boy, or if I want to use a name, Akash, Mohit, or Surjit, Alexander, anyone. Same here, school. Now, school like ours, St. Joseph Convent, or St. Aloysius, or St. Thomas, St. Gabriel. Now, book, English book, history book, science book, maths book. But in all the example which I gave, what was common? Boy. All this example of school I gave, what was the common? School. So in simple we can say boy could be anyone. School could be any school. Book could be any book. So all these words are used for the general category. Okay, now we come to another one. Naming words are names that we give to one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Again, naming words are names that we give to one person, one place, one animal, or one thing are special names, or you can say are called special names. Okay? Example: Rohit, St. Joseph School, St. Joseph Convent School, English. Okay, again, Rohit, St. Joseph Convent School, English. Special names are also called proper noun. Okay, like in the previous the previous definition, I told you that common names are called common nouns. Similarly, special names are called proper nouns. Proper nouns. For you all to understand the concept of common noun and special name, I have made a table with 3 common names: girl, city, and river. Okay, then from these common names we are going to study how from these common names we are going to get the special names. Okay, girl, then city, and river. So here you will get the idea that from how common names we can get actually the special names. So first common name is the girl. Now see, we have a girl, and right here in this column we got 3 special names: Meena, Seema, and Tina. Now Meena is a name of one girl, Seema is a name of second girl, Tina is a name of the third girl. If I include myself, I am also a girl and my name is different. You are also a girl, so your name is different. But the common in Meena, Seema, Tina, me, and in you are that we all are girls. But we all are different people. We are one people. There is only one Seema. There is only one Meena. There is only one Tina. Okay, but the common in all is that they all are girls. So 3 persons, 3 different names, separate names. They are separate from each other. Meena is different from Seema, Tina can't be Seema or Meena, or Seema can't be Meena or Tina. But they are common because they are girls. Next we come to city. Now we have 3 cities here: Jabalpur, Delhi, and Mumbai. Okay, now Jabalpur is one city, Delhi is another city, Mumbai is another city. 3 cities, 3 names, but they are, what's common in them? That they are common as they are city. Now Jabalpur is different from Delhi, Delhi is different from Mumbai, Mumbai is different from Delhi and Jabalpur, and all 3 are different and separate from each other in terms of name also, in terms of climatic condition, as well as in terms of location also. Jabalpur is central India, Delhi is the north India, Mumbai is the southwest India. Got it? So they are different from each other, but they are common as cities. They are common as cities. The next example, we come to the common name river. Now river, we have 3 rivers: Ganga, Yamuna, and Narmada. Ganga flows from different area and crosses different states. Yamuna also the same. Narmada, as we know that it flows from central India, it crosses our city Jabalpur. So all these 3 are rivers different from each other and separate from each other. So again, same 3 rivers, 3 names. Okay, so river, so what's common here? That they all are rivers, but Ganga is separate, Yamuna is separate, Narmada is separate, and 3 rivers, 3 special names. Got it? Names start with small letters. You will find that all the common names start with small letter, like boy, girl, rivers, city, city, etc. They all start with the first letter of the word is always small for common names. And special names start with capital letters. Okay, special names always start with capital letters. Examples are like Meena is the special name of a girl, so capital M. Jabalpur, special name of the city, so J. Ganga is the special name of Ganga, so G. Sunday is the special name of a week, special name of a day of a week, that is S. And July is the special name of a month. Okay, so J. You see, all first letter of the special names, they all are in capital letters.